In the last video in this video series, we talked about creating a new project to track time here in FreshBooks. Now, one of the aspects of a project that we needed were the tasks associated with that project. And as we created our project, we noticed that the only tasks available to us were the default ones created by FreshBooks. Now, as we were creating our project, we had the opportunity to add tasks on the fly. However, if you'd like to add tasks all at once that maybe aren't associated with the project right now, but will be later on at a future date, you can go ahead and enter the time tracking section here on FreshBooks and then click on Tasks. You'll notice that we have our 3 default tasks that FreshBooks has created for us, and we could go ahead and we could add a new task. So I could go ahead and I could call this Business Card Design. I could add a description about this task if I wanted to, and then I can also add the hourly rate for this. So let's say I charge $35 an hour for this task. Now, if I know that this task is going to be assigned to a project that I've already created, I can select that project down here. If I had multiple projects that I had already created, they would all be listed here, and I could assign this task to as many projects as needed. So in this case, I'm actually not going to assign it to my research project, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit Save. You'll notice that our new task is now listed with the general ones created by FreshBooks. And another thing you might want to do is if you are going to use these tasks that were created by FreshBooks, you probably want to go in and specify an hourly rate. So we actually used the research task when we created our first project. So I want to go in and specify an hourly rate for research. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Edit on this task. And I'm going to change the rate per hour to $30. And I'm going to save it. You can see it has the option to assign this to a project. Yes, I do want it assigned to Research Project 3. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Save, and you'll see that the task has now been updated. If we click on the Tasks section up here at the top, we'll see here's our research task and our updated hourly rate. So that's how you can go ahead and add all the tasks that you think are going to be associated with any projects here in FreshBooks. Remember, these tasks are hourly billed tasks. If you want to add an item to an invoice that has a fixed rate, you're actually going to do that within the Invoices section. And I showed you how to do that earlier in this video series, but just to recap a little bit, in the Invoice section, we've got this Items section, and that's where you can add items that are a fixed flat rate. The time tracking and tasks section are for things that are billed hourly. Remember that difference because it can be a little bit confusing sometimes when you're creating projects, estimates, and invoices here in FreshBooks.